Sanctuaries, National Park and Biosphere Reserve. National Park is a place where wild animals are protected.
Bengal tigers are protected here.
Kaziranga National Park. Where is it? It is in Assam. One-horned rhinoceros are protected here. National Park.
Where is it?
It is in Gujarat.
Lions are protected here.
Sanctuary is a place where birds are protected. Sanctuary. Where is it? It is in Chingalpattu. Colorful birds are protected here. Example here on.
Viralimalai Sanctuary.
Where is it?
It is in Pulkote.
Peacocks are protected here. Biosphere Reserve is a place where birds, animals and plants are protected.